Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Suppose that you wake up in the morning, check your phone and see a message from your best friend. I have won a lottery. Sounds exciting, right? But wait, why did he use have won instead of just won? Today we are going to unlock the mystery of the present perfect tense. Explanation of present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used for action that happened at an unspecified time in the past or action that started in the past and continue to the present. It's called your present perfect tense. Example, she has eaten lunch. Of this example, the action is complete but the time is not mentioned. We can take another example also. She has lived in this city for 10 years. She started living here in the past and still lives here. It's called present perfect tense. There are three types of sentences. First one is affirmative sentences. These tenses start that something has happened. Formula of these sentences is subject plus has, have plus verb 3. Look some examples also. I have finished my work. She has visited Paris. They have bought a new car. Sentences is negative sentences. These sentences indicate that something has not happened. So formula of these sentences is subject plus has, have, not V3. Look some examples also. I have not finished my work. She has not visited Paris. Have not bought a new car. Last one is interrogative sentences. These sentences ask if something has happened. So formula of these sentences is has, have plus not, subject plus V3. Look some examples. Have you finished your work? Has she visited Paris? Very common question when we use has and have. Has is used with he, she, it, any singular noun. Structure subject plus has plus object. Like he has a new car. She has a beautiful house. Next one is have is used with I, you, we, they and plural nouns. Structure subject plus have plus object. Like example is I have a good idea. You have a great personality. They have many books. Next question is when to use present perfect tense. First is when we talk about experience. Like I have traveled to Paris. It happened sometime in the past but we don't say when. One is unfinished action. He has lived in this city for 5 years. Last one is recent actions with result in the present. Look some examples. Oh no, I have lost my keys. We talk about ongoing actions. That time we use distance. Common mistakes and correction also. First one is I have went to the market. Always we use I have gone to the market. Because we know that in this tense we use verb 3. So go, went, gone. Verb 3 of go is gone. She has seen this movie. So please tell me where is it incorrect. So correct version of this sentence is she has seen. Because third form of see is seen. In this tense, we use third form of any verb. That's the reason we use seen. It's your practice time. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb. See dash the museum twice. What we have to use here? So answer of question number 1 is she has visited. Because we know that she is a singular. That's the reason we use has. And third form of visit is visited. Next one is they have not finished. They is a plural one. That a reason we use have. And finish, third form of finish is finished. Third one is I have never eaten. With I we always use have. And third form of eat is eaten. Okay, then now it's your turn. Write a sentence using present perfect tense in the comment. I will check them. I hope you enjoyed learning the present perfect tense. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.